Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to another cute hairstyle tutorial. So today we'll be making this hairstyle. It is quite fast and beginner friendly. And to start this hairstyle, you will need to divide the hair into 2 equal parts. Then after you divided the hair into 2 equal parts, the next step is to divide the front part into 2 as well. Make sure you get the center correctly and the line is straight. And now the next step is to divide each part into 3 equal parts on a straight line. Then secure it with a rubber band. So if you're using rubber band, please ensure to loosen the rubber band. Do not make it too tight so it does not rip off your daughter's edges or anyone you'll be doing this hairstyle for. So I'll be repeating the same steps all through to the other part as well. So now that I have completed and secured all the bases, the next step is for me to braid the hair separately. So for my own braids, I'll be using hair extension. I'm using extension because my daughter's hair is not long enough for it to achieve the style that I'm going for. This is strictly optional. If your hair or daughter's hair can achieve this style without adding an extension, please do without the extension. So I'm adding this for me to achieve the length and the style that I'm going for. So all you have to do is to braid the hair, all the 6 parts separately. So I'm going to do that now, then show you the next step. Yeah. At this point, she requested to play with her puppy for a few minutes, so I let her have it. I actually do because that's one of the secrets to getting her sit calmly for her hairstyle. Then we went back to the styling. So what I'll be using for the back side is a hair styling gel. If you've seen some of my videos, this is my go-to gel. It is safe and it is good for us. It works for me. So I use hair styling gel to gather the back side. So for this back side, I divided it into 2 as well. Then just pack it in a ponytail. Without further ado, it is time to style the main character of the day, and those are the braids. So to get this style, just like you tie your shoelaces, all you have to do is to cross them on one another. You take the front one, you cross it to the back. You take another one, you cross it to the back. So you take it to cross it to the back, just the 6 of it, just to make it go on top each other. Then that you get the style. You get the, I don't know what this is called. Should I say criss-cross? Should I say zigzag? I'm not sure what this exact thing is called. And if you have any idea or you know what this style is called, please let me know in the comment section. So we are almost at the finish line. Then for the other ponytail as well, I used an extension to get it together. As I said earlier, you don't have to use an extension if your hair is long enough, or you can use another sort of extension. If you don't want this exact one, you can use a Brazilian wool or another wool or any other sort of extension that you may want. So I've done the other part and I'm doing the same thing for this. So this is pretty simple and basic. Get an extension or not, then braid it into 2 ponytail. So this is it. It is easy, it is cute, it is fast and simple. So you can get creative styling the ponies the way you want. For me, I added 2 colorful bows. And I also added oil, of course, to keep our hair moisturized. So that's it. That's the end of the style. So for me, this is style 1 actually. And you can leave it as it is. It is so cute. So another way to style this is bringing in the afro, making it style 2. So to install this, it is basically simple. It has a drug string. So all you have to do is to insert it and draw it, then secure it firmly. Tight it and secure it firmly. So this is it. I've installed the 2 ponies. It is so cute as well. Then added back the bow. And thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.